Hi everyone, this is Max from Divi websites, and today I want to show you how you can create the different titles, different content, different buttons for different screen sizes on Divi. And actually how you can see the issue when you see the one title on desktop but other on tablet or phone. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, click like. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave some donation with donation link in the description. Looks like this. Okay, so let's start. Here I created already some area, and on desktop it looks like this. You can see it changes the title to mobile when it's mobile size, and to desktop, sorry, to tablet when it's tablet size. So probably some of you can see this issue, and some of you want to achieve this result. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. Basically, I created the section call to action, but this solution will work for all section types in Divi themes. So we should click on gear, or if you are in the front end view, just I think click same on gear, and there should be, when you hover on title or on button or on body, there is small phone icon. If you click it, it activates the mobile responsive settings, the responsive settings. So basically this is, if it's disabled, it shows for all screen sizes one title. If you want to enable it, just click on it, and now you can see the screen options. So when we click desktop, we can see title desktop, let's say 1. When we click tablet, it says tablet title tablet 2. And when we click mobile, it says title mobile 3. So we click OK and update. If you have these issues, you should disable the responsive setting. If you want to achieve it, just enable it. So I wrote, as you could see, numbers to the title, and we can see title desktop 1, and let's check responsive, title mobile 3, and title where is tablet 2. Nice work. Okay, if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave some donations. If you have some questions or need personal tutorial, leave your questions in comments area. Also, if you want my mentor, sorry, if you are a young developer and need to improve skills, I do mentoring for young developers, so just contact me. Okay, thanks for watching and bye bye.